This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to convert your Google Doc into an open document, an ODT file. So if you want to do that, there are different ways of doing it, but if you're within Google Docs itself, like I am right here, just have a random project here with some dummy text and image right here for this video. What you will do, you will come up to the very top where it says File, you'll click on File, and now you will hover over Download. So you have all the usual formats like Microsoft Word and PDF. And then the third one down normally is the open document format, the .odt file. That's the one you want. For the purposes of this video, this will instantly download. It will export and download an open document file. So we click on that one, and that will be saved instantly to your download location. You see the icon just fly up there. I'm on a Mac. That's universal symbol if something has been downloaded. That will go to the downloads location as set by your browser, so you will know what that location is. You'll find your open document file right there, converted directly from Google Docs. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like